gonna give you this job, and you better do it right. Don't fuck this shit up or I'll gut you like a fish and use your intestine as party streamers.
Motivational as always.
Honestly, you should do TED Talks.
All right. You're the boss. Don't fuck this up.
Me? Dude, you got the photo. I'm just an emotional support criminal.
What that means?
Is that him?
Unless if there's another dude rocking that shirt outside of retirement luau, then yeah.
Let's see.
Look shorter in person.
He's sitting down. Gravity works.
All right,
Genius. Damn, capable.
and there's like some messed up version of this if the Office meets Narcos.
Score.
No, more like Brooklyn Nine-Nine if Jake and Bo were great and best.
All right, good. Yeah, he's
Hey,
dude, this
seriously?
What? It's crime, dude. At least make it fashionable.
Bro, what is this? A Coachella heist?
Listen, man, just because I ain't Bob Bunny doesn't mean I can't rob somebody while looking good.
Man, this is not Breaking Bad. You're not Jesse Pinkman with glitter. Bitch.
Bro, stop fucking around.
Hurry!
Hey, the boss sent us.
Wait, what? Why is he so heavy?
Dead weight, get it?
He's not dead, idiot.
Yet.
Come on, let's go.
Look at him.
All right.
Smooth. Let's go. Alright, we set him up.
What is this? Uber pool?
What if you give us 5-star, buddy?
We got him. What questions you got?
Hey, yo. Tostilla's lap, bro.
Yeah, grab some meat too.
Uh-huh.
Yo, these idiots got the wrong guy. I told them, bro. We tell the boss.
Don't know. He's sitting down watching TV like it's Sunday brunch.
Hey, boss. Watching TV, huh?
Must be nice.
Listen, we got an issue.
Look, that's him over there.
Yo, Bob! These beans are fire, bro!
Yo, Luis. Luis, what did I say, dude? Don't fuck this shit up. Get out of here, dude. Get the fuck out of here.
What do we do now?
We're dead. We're dead. We're like body badly dead.
Shut up, I'm brainstorming. No deaths, no identities.
No, I'm not being a Todd.
Yeah,
Sorry about this.
Wait, you're just gonna leave me here? You'll be fine. You'll figure something out. Hello? Is anybody out there? Shit. Hello? Is anyone there? What the fuck did I do to get in this shit? Hello?
Hey, up this pointed out. Get on the damn floor. Boss's orders.
Y'all never do shit right, huh?
We just wanted food from the pantry.
I gave you one task, man. Just one. A day like rap, there was no cameras, no cops. And you two managed to screw it up? A grandma's barbecue and flip-flops, huh?
I mean, to be fair, he did look like
Shut the fuck up. Bring him in. Get him to the chair, come on.
Watch your step.
Hey. Drop him up. Let's drop him up, come on. Get the fuck out of here, move!
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Motherfucker's gonna make you stop paying.
I'm good. I'm good.
More.
Bro, you playing, right?
No.
This is the max.
Alright, David, scooch back a little bit. Alright, I'm set.
Alright.
Eva.
Mission miss.
I'm speeding.
Tail slate.
Action.
Reset. Alright, let me get the captive E up a little bit. Yeah, have him just sit a little taller so I can see him.
Like that? A little taller, like this?
Higher. Yeah, fuck it. Yeah, go back to where you were and you'll pop into frame. Alright, let's go.
And action.
Let's bounce.
Get in the fuck. No, I'm just kidding. We're good. Speeding.
Mission Misfire. Scene 4. Take 1. Marker.
Alright,
Good.
hold for camera.
Yeah, I got that.
Camera ready?
Camera speeding. Just wait for a car to pass by. I just put.
Get out of here, dude. Get the fuck out of here. Get out of here, motherfuckers.
Alright. Alright. Camera set.
Action.
Yo, boss. These beans are fire, bro.
Alright, give me 1 second. Alright. Set.
I'm gonna start on him.
Reset.
Put this.
Bring him in.
Cut.
Just one thing. Go take the dude in broad deadline, and you didn't do shit about it. Just go fucking the barbecue and fuck the fucking scene up.
Cut.